Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jam. I am yet in my bathroom and I wanted to share with you guys a new product that I am going to review for you guys, and it is a Microdermabrasion Scrub. When I saw this, I was pretty intrigued and got really excited, so I couldn't wait to film this for you and try it out for the first time. So I didn't open it yet and I don't know anything about what it looks like. I don't know anything about the brand. All I know is what it says on the box. So let's go ahead and review it. So the brand is called DERMA Essentials. Again, if you guys haven't really been around in my channel, you guys know that I'm trying to be natural as possible when it comes to my skincare and my makeup. So I just think that when I continue my journey, I want to share it with you guys. So today we're going to take their Microdermabrasion Scrub, citrus oil blend, and dead sea salt to try and see how we like it. I haven't opened it. I just got so excited and just bought it. So it opens like this. It says how to use: apply to clean, wet skin and gently scrub desired areas in a circular motion for up to 1 minute. Less pressure is recommended for sensitive skin. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use twice a week. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my face first, and we're gonna come back with a clean face and we're gonna put this on. Yay! If you guys are interested, I'm using TATA'S the Deep Cleanser. I've been using this brand for about over a year, almost 2 years. I have a little bit of mascara on. I know all these baby hairs are driving me insane and they stick out like a sore thumb, but I'm just happy I'm growing hairs. Alright, so here we go. Smells very citrusy. I'm gonna put that on that spot. The rest on my chin. I don't keep these. Do you guys keep these? Ooh, it's very whippy. I don't think I need a lot because I usually have built up a lot on my T-zones. So I think I'm gonna use just about that much. I'm gonna hurry up because my skin is drying. And here we go. I have to tell you, it's like cutting a lemon and just smelling that for the first time. Wow. Oh wait, I forgot to time myself. Okay, so it's 3:31 in the afternoon. Let's do all around my face. I do have some acne scar on this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheeks as well. I'm moving around a lot just because my skin is drying and I want to make sure I'm able to get all of the areas that I'm having problems with. And as you know, I have a dark spot here, so we're gonna gently just exfoliate on the tip of my cheeks. It is kind of burning a little bit. I think it's because of the citrus oils that are in here. But the smell, you know, if you're sensitive to smell, this might be like too much. Oh my god. Get it. Yeah. I'm really excited to see how it goes in like a month or so. Alright, let's see, what time is it? Oh my god. I loved it too much. I went on for too long. I have to take it off. The Dead Sea salt are really fine, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a final rinse. Wow. Talk about refreshing. That citrus is very refreshing. I love it. My face feels really smooth. I feel like it definitely maybe cleared up some buildup, definitely in my T-zone. I don't know, you might be like me where you have all of these pores filled up with like dead skin cells. It feels really smooth. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my serum and my moisturizer. I'm using the Honest Serum. You know, I'm also thinking when you're using this Microdermabrasion Scrub, my question is, because of those fine Dead Sea salt, and it's scrubbing your face and all of these little tight, you know, crevices in your skin, some that may be still open and healing, is it safe to put on a serum or cream with like all these other additive of chemicals and stuff like that? Is it going to sting even more? Because when I was using the scrub, it stung, I have to tell you, but it wasn't unbearable. It was like, I have pretty decent skin where it doesn't, I'm not that sensitive. I don't have sensitive skin, so I can tell you that it's bearable, it's there, you notice, but it's not like something where it hurts. But I'm just worried if you have sensitive skin and you felt that sting, is it going to affect you, you know, when you take it off and you put on your serum or your cream and you have all these other chemicals in there that could, you know, or alcohol, for example, it could sting your skin and irritate your skin even more. So that's something I would talk to a dermatologist about. After my serum, I'm going to go ahead and use 2 drops of the Ordinary 100% organic cold press rosehip sea oil. I go over my lips as well. And I just press. Because it is an oil, I don't want to rub it into my pores that I just, you know, cleaned. And I just go ahead and press it into my skin. I like to take my index finger and just put pressure onto my cheekbones. Move it up a little bit too. It's definitely a 4.5 star for me. I gave it a 4.5 just because, I don't know, I mean, the citrusy is awesome and I like it and everything, but I am worried about how much it stings. Maybe it's something that comes with, you know, microdermabrasion, I'm not sure. Maybe I just never tried it before and this is just how it is. But I am worried about, you know, having it done on your face when your skin isn't healing and everything. So, you know, if you're gonna try it out, make sure your skin is all healed up and then you can go ahead and try this. But if you feel like you still have some, you know, healing to do, you should probably wait and try it when everything is healed up. Hi. Henry woke up from his nap, so yeah, I would say if you like a good scrub, this is definitely something that you want to try. I'm gonna go on their website and see what else I like to try. I really like how citrusy it is. I am concerned that might just irritate you a little bit, as well as the Dead Sea salt. They are so tiny, and if you are, it's just haven't really yet healed from a acne scar or just cuts, just be aware that it could sting you even more. I don't have sensitive skin, but it could affect you a little bit more. So be aware of that. And you don't want to go onto your scars with this anyways. I mean, but the thing is that because it's like a scrub and it falls onto those like scars, it could be something that you need to be more wary of. So that's all I have to say about that. Other than that, I loved it, and I'm pretty happy I picked it up. I do have some skincare issues that I want to take care of, especially my dark spots and my acne scars. So I'm hoping to use it for about a month to see how I like it, and I will definitely do a after review for you guys too. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit the bell so you get notification of when I upload that video. Let me know what you guys think about the product below and see if you're going to try it out, and if you are, let me know and tell me how it goes. I'm going to bring Henry and I to the kitchen. We're going to go ahead and eat some food, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye. You look so messy. You look so messy. You look so messy.